still think he moved it, but... Oh my god! Way to slam on your brakes, everybody! Oh my god! But that freaking bear, though. I can't believe it. I still think he moved it, but... Oh my god! Way to slam on your brakes, everybody! Oh my god!
What do they say now, Morgan? What's the cool thing they say now? Here at work? How about that? No, that's not cool.
Right.
Yeah, that's not true. It's cool as I have the house fire. Well, let me ask you something. Do they still say give it up for?
Oh, no.
They don't say give it up for Morgan?
Stop!
Like,
Shit!
okay, we're having like a...
Oh my
dinner.
god, dude!
They don't say give it up for Morgan?
Stop!
Like,
Shit!
okay, we're having like a...
Oh my
dinner.
god!
Fuck, dude.
The hell?
Where are you going, dude? Hey, get off the freeway.
For the president to convince his current supporters.
Hello?
Hey, I just remembered. I got to stop at Walmart.
Okay, honey. You want to get something from there?
I'll see if they... I knew it.
What, baby?
I saw an accident right here.
Oh. It just happened?
Yeah, just in front of me. I'm going to pull over here.
Oh. Okay, baby. It wasn't real bad, was it?
It was bad.
shit. Why the fuck would you try to blame it on me if you just fucked up that bad? You pulled out. I didn't do anything. No, I hit my head. I was driving straight, just in my lane, and you turned into me. You need to own that. I don't want to hear again that it was my fault. Not one more fucking time do I want to hear it was even remotely my fault. 100% your fault, and I'm calling the cops because you're giving me all fucking lip about it.
I'm not trying to be,
Totaled my car.
me too. Hey, so I've got a dash cam. I got that on camera. Do you want my contact info?
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm sorry I freaked out. I'm
Yeah,
just
I understand.
When I got out, you were supposed to be like, I'm sorry I hit you, not, why aren't you slowing down? How is I going fast? There's no way to go fast here. It's impossible. I was just driving.
Right.
Down the street. You turned into me. Okay.
I'm sorry.
What's your
Yeah, you can write down my number, or actually my email address would be better.
Okay.
Yeah, just take time to cool down. I know.
Dude, my car's cool. The thing is, I get hit all the time.
Really?
This is my 5th time getting hit in this street.
Yeah, I got rear-ended a couple weeks ago, so it wasn't as bad as that, though. Hey, are you okay, though?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Okay. Yeah, you just gotta be more careful.
Yeah.
Because, yeah, when one lane stops, that's, like, so dangerous when they're letting you out.
Yeah, you can't. Yeah, you got when you're doing, you can't. You can't. I would just wait. Listen. I'm got really unlucky with accidents. I've had this car for 3 years. It's the 3rd time someone's hit me.
Will go toward initiatives at 17 San Diego organizations, including Interfaith Community Services and the Chicano Federation of San Diego County. 2 East County school districts are closed today because of heavy snowfall. The San Diego County Office of Education says classes are canceled at Julian Union and Julian Union High School districts. According to officials, both districts will have a late start tomorrow.
Management, offering guidance on retirement income, Social Security.
Oh God. It wasn't as much as a guy that paid a lot of money, a member of the group. It was like a family member was up there. We couldn't.
Do you want to be on dashcam time? It's simple. All you need to do is click on the video submission form, which can be found on our channel or video descriptions. Fill in a few boxes that will provide the information for your incident and then submit. It's really that easy.